So I'm always asked, how do you actually set up a trading robot? Is it difficult? Does it take a long time? And how much money do you need to get it set up? In this video, we're going to address those questions. Let's have a look. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to jonnyblockchain.com. So the first time you come here, you're going to get this message at the top to tell you that the site uses cookies. You just click OK. And then what we're going to do is click on register. I'm going to pop my name in there. And I'm just going to call this Jeremy Demo. Pop an email in there and then pop a password. Come down, tick all these boxes, complete the sign up. Right, so it says, congratulations, a brand new account has been set up for you. Enjoy your automated trading with Jonny Blockchain. Proceed to getting started. So the first thing I see is that I need to check my inbox to make sure I've got the verification email. I need to click that first to prove that I'm a real person. There's the email I've got from Jonny Blockchain. Open that up, and then what I need to do is to click this link here. You've just confirmed your email address and your account is unlocked for all the Jonny Blockchain features. So I close that other tab and it says navigate to profile. Now I need to set my profile up, and it's asking me to set up a Google Authenticator. There is a video there, but I know how to do this. So I've set the Google Authenticator up. I just need to put the number in this box here and add 2FA. So that's my profile set up. And then what I want to do is put my MetaMask wallet in here. I'm going to use MetaMask to do my trading with. So I'm just going to copy my wallet, pop that into there. So I've also uploaded an image in my profile, and then I'm going to click Save Personal Details. So the next thing I want to do is to head over to this tab that says My Wallet. That will bring you to My Wallet screen. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be purchasing access for the DEX trading robot. So I need $25 for that, and I also need another $10 to keep inside my Jonny Blockchain wallet, and so that I can pay for the software service fee. And I also need a bit of BNB to pay for the blockchain fees via the smart contract. So the first thing I need to do is to connect my wallet. That opens up my MetaMask. I just click connect, and now my wallet's connected. So I'm depositing 35 Tether, which is the stable coin. I've just approved that in my MetaMask wallet, and I'm just waiting for that to clear on the blockchain. So as you can see, now it's now cleared. I've got 35 Tether inside my Jonny Blockchain wallet, and the first thing I'm going to do is come down here and get DEX access. So click that. It's going to take 25 from my balance. So I've got access now for a full year until the 26th of April 26. And you can see my balance has gone down to 10. I'll need to leave that 10 there because that's going to pay for my software service fee, which is 25% of all the profitable trades. Now what I need to do is to top up the smart contract with 0.04 of BNB, and I've got 0.09. So I click on top up. Like before, it opens up my MetaMask wallet for me to confirm. And then all I've got to do is to wait for that to clear on the blockchain. So I've got these two notifications in the top right hand corner. So as you can see now, it says that I've got a balance of 0.04. So I'm now ready to set up my trading robot. So come up to the top where it says robots, and I'm just going to click on this plus sign. Now what I'm going to trade is Bitcoin, and I'm going to use it with Tether. I've got $20 to set my robot up. So what I'm going to do is put it onto expert mode because I've only got $20, and I'm going to come down here because if I leave it on the default settings, I need $622 available in my MetaMask wallet. Well, I don't have that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete all these off. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my robot on infinite. I could give it a name. I don't need to worry about a name. I'm going to use Pancake V3. Now here I need to, because I'm trading Bitcoin, I've never done it before, and I'm trading it with Tether, I need to approve these two tokens in the Jonny Blockchain smart contract. So I click on change. That opens up my MetaMask wallet. I click confirm. Close that extension. I'll just wait for that to be approved on the blockchain. That's that one done. And now I do the Tether. Click on change. Confirm that. Close that. I just need that to be approved as well on the blockchain. That's it done. And then all I need to do is to come up to the top and click save. And then I switch my robot on here. So this is the first robot for this account that I've set up, and that's how easy it is to set up a trading robot. and I've set that up with $55. $55 on that I've set up a robot. This is going to trade with $20. Now, of course, you may have more than $20 and you could set up a robot for $20, $200, $2,000, $20,000, or you can set up multiple robots. But that's how easy it is to set up a decentralized trading robot on Jonny Blockchain. Now, you can see my robot has already bought some Bitcoin with that $20. Now, obviously, if I sell it now, I would make a loss, but I'm not going to do that. But one key thing I want to point out here is that $20, that 20 Tether, was inside my MetaMask wallet. Now, Jonny Blockchain's smart contract has taken the $20 from my MetaMask wallet and bought Bitcoin with it and put that Bitcoin directly back in my MetaMask wallet. So if I come up to my MetaMask wallet, you can see now that I've now got $1968 worth of Bitcoin. Now, this is very important to understand. Your funds are in your control. You have the Tether inside your wallet. You now have the Bitcoin inside your wallet. Now, you don't need to send your money to Jonny Blockchain to do the trading. Your trading fund stays inside your MetaMask wallet, or if you're doing the centralized trading, it stays inside your centralized exchange. So it's very important for you to understand. You've got full control of your funds all the time. There's the Bitcoin. So all we got to do is wait for the price of Bitcoin to go up so that this robot can sell that Bitcoin and put back the Tether into my MetaMask wallet. Now, if I go back to the wallet, I just want to show you, I've set this up here, which is $25 a year, gives me unlimited access to decentralized trading robots, and I could set up trading robots on the base blockchain. This one's on the Binance smart chain, and if I wanted to, I could also, for another $25 a year, is get access to centralized trading robot, which is on Binance.com or Binance US. But I'm sure you agree that setting up a robot on Jonny Blockchain is a very simple process, and your grandmother could do it. You want to create your own trading robot? Below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonny Blockchain. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.